15 ways to conserve energy and save on your electric bill. What is energy conservation? At its core, energy conservation means using less energy to lower costs and reduce environmental impact. This can mean using less electricity, gas, or any other form of energy that you get from your utility and pay for. With finite energy resources available on our planet, actively conserving energy when possible is beneficial individually and to our larger energy systems. You can save energy and money at home in many simple ways. If you reduce your energy usage at home, you can help decrease carbon dioxide emissions and minimize the natural resources used to power your home. While commercial buildings can have huge impacts on energy usage, there are plenty of things you can do every day at home. Energy conservation versus energy efficiency. While energy conservation is trying to use less energy for cost and environmental reasons, energy efficiency means using specific products designed to use less energy. These two concepts are inherently similar but involve different methods. Examples of energy conservation include using smart appliances and energy-saving bulbs in your home. Energy conservation can help you save money and also increase your sustainability. According to Energy Star's website, approximately 60% of electricity in the US is generated by burning coal and natural gas, which release greenhouse gas emissions into the atmosphere and contributes to climate change. Your use of energy will vary based on a few factors such as the size and age of your home, how many people live in your home, how well insulated your home is, and the types of products you use throughout your home. 15 ways to conserve energy and electricity at home. Here are 15 ways to start conserving energy. Adjust your day-to-day behaviors. Replace your light bulbs. Use smart power strips. Install a programmable thermostat. Use energy-efficient appliances. Reduce water heating expenses. Install energy-efficient windows. Upgrade your HVAC system. Weatherize your home. Insulate your home. Wash your clothes in cold water when possible. Replace or clean your air filters. Use your toaster oven instead of your oven. Use natural light. Dress appropriately for the weather inside and outside.